So today we're going to be discussing the Mantra theorem. The Mantra theorem states, to multiply complex numbers, you multiply the moduli and add the arguments. To divide complex numbers, you divide the moduli and subtract the arguments. So today we have a couple of examples. Here's T1 and T2 and how I computed them. So if we multiplied T1 and T2, you would multiply the moduli, which would be 3 root 2 times 9, which would give you 27 root 2. And then you add the arguments, which would be negative 45 plus negative 90, which gives you negative 135 degrees, for a final answer of 27 root 2 cis negative 135 degrees. Now if you were to divide these two, you would do 9 cis negative 90 degrees divided by 3 root 2 cis negative 45 degree, which would give you 9 divided by 3 root 2 when you divide the moduli, which would give you a simplified answer of 3 over root 2. And then when you subtract the arguments, negative 90 minus negative 45, you get negative 45 degrees. So you get a final answer of 3 over root 2 cis negative 45 degrees. And if you notice, okay, so the definition of mantra can mean many things to many people. But in this case, it's kind of like a repeated formula, a repeated word, kind of like a poem or song. Oh, that's my dog. Hold on. But you see the pattern. When you multiply complex numbers, you multiply the moduli and add the arguments. And when you divide complex numbers, you divide the moduli and subtract the arguments.